Hello and Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Sabeena and this is my January 2022 newsletter video blog summary. This month I finally had my second procedure on my left shoulder. I had 16 injections and I'm healing slowly. During my healing, I also managed to attend the IKEA Live Lagom session, Waste Not, Want Not. Many thanks to Ahmed for presenting this session on Microsoft Teams. And finally, I wrote a blog about World Cancer Day 2022, and this year's campaign theme is Close the Care Gap. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.